hi there everyone. I'm Professor Al, and I'm here at the Hershey Academy, our Institute of Chocolate Tasteology, right here at Hershey's Chocolate World. I'm coming to you today to share with you a little section of our award-winning attraction, Hershey Unwrapped. Now, one of the most important things that you will learn when you attend the Hershey Academy are the 5 senses of tasteology. They're right up here on this board. They're sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. I think it would be a great idea if we all got our Hershey's bar and tried these steps of tasteology together. Are you ready? Okay. First is sight. We're going to unwrap our chocolate bar and we're going to take a look at it. Just look at the color and the shine of the chocolate. Tells you a lot about it. Next is hearing. I want you to hold that chocolate next to your ear and break a little piece off and listen to the sound it makes. What did you hear? I heard a nice dull thud. That's because it's milk chocolate. If it were dark chocolate, you'd hear a sharp snap. Next is smell. So hold that piece of chocolate under your nose and give it a whiff. What do you smell? I smell vanilla and caramel. Yeah, hints of cheese too. Next is touch. If you feel your chocolate, it should be nice and smooth. And the last sense of tasteology, probably everyone's favorite, is taste. We're gonna put that piece of chocolate on our tongue, but we're not gonna chew it. We're just gonna let it melt and see what flavors we pick up on. Here we go. Wonderful. Why don't you discuss at home what you can taste?